Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Miss Sinta, my name is Nakita Ledina and I'm here. I wanna present about my research by the title Semiotic Analysis of Livescram Cuy Cake Advertisement in 2024 on Instagram. And here my table of content. In this table of content, there are 7 points that I will discuss in this video, where the 7 points are: the first is the semiotic and language, the second is the significance of understanding semiotic, the third is the importance of semiotic in advertising, the fourth is the Livescram advertisement, the fifth is the theory that I use, the sixth is the approach of the study, and the seventh is the data collection and the data analysis. The first point is semiotic and language. Language is a complex system that humans use to convey meaning through symbol, words, or sign. Language encompasses various forms of communication, including spoken, written, and symbolic expression, while semiotic as a field of study focuses on how the sign and symbol construct meaning and influence interpretation in different communication contexts. This involves understanding the relationship between the signifier or the form of the sign and the signified, the concept or meaning conveyed by the sign. And the next point is the significance of understanding semiotic. Understanding semiotic and sign is essential to interpreting the true meaning behind media message, including marketing strategies. By studying semiotic, one can better understand how signs shape views, identities, and judgment of the world. This knowledge is increasingly important in the digital age, where new forms of sign continue to emerge in everyday communication. Therefore, semiotic becomes very important so that we as humans can understand and know the meaning of a sign. And the next point is the importance of semiotic in advertising. Semiotic analysis in advertising help us understand and manipulate narrative to achieve communication goals, such as influencing purchase behavior or establishing brand identity. As technology evolves, the scope of semiotic has expanded to include new forms of sign in digital text, adverts, and social media. Understanding semiotic and sign is crucial to interpreting the true meaning behind media message, including marketing strategies. By studying semiotic, one can better understand how signs shape views, identities, and judgment of the world. This knowledge is increasingly important in the digital age, where new forms of sign continue to emerge in everyday communication. Therefore, some semiotic becomes very important so that we as humans can understand and how the meaning of a sign. And the next point is the Livescram advertisement. Livescram advertisements are famous for their use of striking colors such as purple and green, and natural elements such as grass. These adverts use semiotic cues, including logos and slogans, to effectively convey message. The popularity of Livescram adverts is recent years can be attributed to the effective use of semiotic elements to connect with the audience. And the next point is the theory that I use. This study used Peirce semiotic theory, where Peirce semiotic theory classifies signs into 3 categories: icons or resembling the object, indices or directly related to the object, and symbol relying on social convention for meaning. Peirce also introduced a triadic model involving the representation or the form taken by the sign, the object, what the sign refers to, and the interpretation, the understanding derived from the sign. This triadic relationship helps in analyzing how meaning is constructed throughout the interaction of these elements. And the next is the approach of the study. This study used a qualitative method to explore the meanings that individuals or groups give to social issues. This method focused on analyzing the sign in Instagram posts and the Reels video, Lashgram Chuekik product to uncover the meaning behind each symbol. This approach allows for an in-depth understanding of how these signs are perceived and interpreted by the audience. And the last point is the data analysis and the data collection. The data for this study were collected from posts and video reels on Livestream official Instagram account, where the data was collected by screenshotting the image in the post, both photos and video reels. The analysis involved identifying signs and categorizing them into representation, object, and interpretation. And this all my presentation. Sorry for any mistake that I had. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.